Hi. Get it. Get it. Betty. Betty. Can we go inside? Are you gonna go in the house? No. Are you gonna make a pee? Are you gonna make a pee outside? You go outside. You go outside, right? Right? Are you so cute? Yes. You say, stop eating. Look at how cute. That's Betty. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. What are you gonna do now? What are you gonna do now? Should we zoom in? Let's zoom in on Betty. Hi. Oh, great. Oops, that was my finger. Want to see our little rose bush? Can you stop? Here's our rose bush. So pretty.